Hey crafters, I got a cute little project for you today using Dollar Tree items. I have this wooden palette from the dollar store and I'm going to start by painting one palette white, actually two palettes white, one orange, and then one green. Once these are dry, I'm going to paint faces on them. I'm going to have a ghost, a pumpkin, a mummy, and a Frankenstein. You can choose any 4 Halloween themed faces. I'm going to make sure all of my paint is dry before I start painting the faces. Now I'm going in with a Sharpie. I thought this was the easiest, and just drawing my faces, and then I have a paint marker and I'm just going to fill in the areas that I drew. I was switching back and forth between the Sharpie and the paint marker. The paint marker seemed to work better than the Sharpie. The Sharpie kind of dries out, and I don't know if it's because my Sharpie was drying out, but after a while it just wasn't filling it in the right way and I didn't like the way it looked. So I used this acrylic paint marker, and this really helped out a lot. So I found these faces online and I thought I'd like to recreate it into something cute. I think what I saw online was a little bit bigger, so this is not an original idea, but I wanted to create a mini version of it and change it up slightly different by making it into a cute candle holder. Once everything's good and dry, I am going to grunge these up, so I will take some antiquing wax, put some on a sponge and hit the sides, and drag the sponge across the faces as well, just to tone down the color a little bit. I'm going to take this other palette from Dollar Tree and spray it with a little water and take that antique wax and paint it on top to give it a stained look, and then wipe back the paint with a baby wipe. Once it was dry, I'm taking some super glue here, hitting the bottom of my palette faces and gluing it to the bottom of the other palette. I have this orange candle ring and I'm going to hot glue it to the bottom palette. And then I'm going to place a small tea light candle on top. And I think this turned out really cute. What do you think, guys? These are adorable. Let me know in the comments below what other faces you might draw, and let me know if you're going to give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.